Because my demonstration is going to be pretty heavy, I need heavy material for my base. I'm going to cut these two pieces into 31 inches as well. This is a car generator, and I'm going to use it to make power for my demonstration. This is a 20-pound flywheel. We're going to use it to recover energy. I had to find a way to connect this axle to this flywheel. I'm going to use this sprocket to connect the flywheel to the axle. But first I have to machine new holes in it. I'm adding oil as a lubricant to the steel. I want to know the total weight of the flywheel with its parts. With 27.4 pounds spinning around 3,000 RPM, I'm making the base very strong. Now I'm going to make some sparks just because it looks good on video. I'm going to use screws to connect the frame to the base. Now I'm bolting the sprocket to the flywheel. Now I'm bolting the center hub to the flywheel. Following advice from my engineer mentor, Miles Champion, I'm going to use a starter generator instead of an alternator. This one unit will both spin the flywheel and then produce power from the flywheel. Here I've added 3 ring spacers to the axle for weight. Here I'm adding the flywheel drive pulley. These are the flywheel mounting blocks. To make sure the axle is aligned, I'm using a square. I have it mounted to the frame, and I'm going to use a V-belt to drive the flywheel. I'm going to use this as a mounting block for the starter generator. I'm going to use this as a mount for the starter generator. This is actually an old alternator mount. We never got the flywheel fully balanced because we were only using spare parts. The starter generator that we're using actually goes to a golf cart. We're going to use a basic 12-volt regulator. We knew the wiring was going to be a little complicated, so we got some really simple instructions. But we did get it figured out. I'm going to be using this 12-volt battery to spin the flywheel up to speed. The starter generator will bring the flywheel up to speed. Once the flywheel is up to speed, it will turn the generator on its own. Then the generator will produce recovered power. Then that recovered power will run these lights. And that will demonstrate inertia recovery. But because the battery is very powerful, it is also dangerous. Because we have found the machine to be somewhat violent, for safety, we're going to videotape the demonstration. The battery will provide 24 volts to start the process. The negative terminal is already connected. I'll be connecting the positive terminal to start the demonstration. If there's enough recovered energy, I'm even going to try to turn on the spotlight. Once the flywheel is up to speed, I'll disconnect the power. Once the power drops below 12 volts, the unit will automatically turn the power off. That's to prevent any equipment from being damaged by low voltage. would have been wasted power.